Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TechTechTuts. Today in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to install a Laravel on any computer system and how to use it. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. There are some prerequisites and some requirements before installing Laravel on any operating system. So prerequisites are that you should already know PHP and MySQL with Apache or Nginx, and you understand how to set up them on your machine according to your operating system, or you should understand how to use XAMPP, VAMP, MAMP or LAMP stack on your computer according to your operating system. After that, you should have some basic knowledge of using PHP as well as some concepts of object-oriented programming in PHP. After that, you should understand that what is MySQL, how to run queries, how to create MySQL queries so that you can work with Laravel. After these prerequisites, there are some requirements so that before installing Laravel, you should complete these requirements. So the first requirement is the PHP version. Currently, the latest version of Laravel is Laravel 8, and for Laravel 8, there is minimum requirement of PHP 7.3.x. So either you must have 7.3, 7.4 or 8.0 version on your machine. Less than that version will not work with Laravel 8. So if you are interested in installing Laravel 6, then you must have PHP 7.2 minimum requirement. After that, it's best to have a MariaDB server set up on your machine rather than MySQL, although they are somehow the same, but MariaDB is more preferable than MySQL. So make sure you have MariaDB. Even if you have MySQL, there shouldn't be any issue. There will be only one issue, small issue, which I will tell you during this video tutorial how to avoid that uh, problem. So now after that requirements, the first step to install Laravel on your machine is to get a PHP dependency manager, which is called Composer. So to install Composer, you need to visit getcomposer.org website and then click on Get Started. After coming to the Get Started page, you need to download or install according to your operating system, like installation Linux, Unix or Mac OS. Then installation Windows. So if you are a Windows operating system, click here, or if you are on Linux, Unix or Mac operating system, you can click here. In Windows, you can use the installer or you can use the manual installation. But before using these installations, make sure you know where exactly is your PHP installed, because if Composer does not detect automatically the PHP version, it will ask you to give it to the path of your current PHP version. So then you have to give it the path where your php.exe file is located on Windows operating system. Rest on Linux, Unix, Mac OS, there is a command line utility. Like in a Linux or Unix operating systems, you have apt-get or apt. In Mac OS, you can install homebrew, and with the brew command, you can install PHP, MySQL or Composer as well. So this Composer should be installed on your machine. So if you have installed Composer successfully on your machine, the next step is going to the terminal command. So here I am on the terminal command and I will navigate to my www folder, which is the root path of my PHP stack, where I normally install all of my PHP packages, PHP projects. So here you need to run the Composer command first and then check the version. If it returns you this something like this, currently on today's date the latest stable version is 2.0.8. so whichever one you are using, make sure it is latest one, and to update your version, just run Composer self update and it will update your current version to the latest version. Here it's saying you are already using Composer version 2.8 stable channel, right? After that, there are two ways to install the Laravel. First is to install the Laravel installer, which I always recommend. So you need to do Composer global. You need to install require global require Laravel slash installer. When you run this command, it will install Laravel installer globally, which is currently version 4.1. So it's already installed on my machines. That's why it did not downloaded it, and it says nothing to install, update or remove. So everything is working fine. So to check it that Laravel installer is working, just run Laravel dash dash version and it will show you the currently installed Laravel installer version. So there is one issue with this Laravel installer, that with Laravel installer you can only install the latest version of Laravel. Sometimes you do need to install a previous version, so then you have to use the composer to install a previous version of Laravel. But if you are working with the latest version, then you should use Laravel installer package. Here I'm going to show you how to install with Laravel installer. Then I will show you the command that will help you to install any specific version of Laravel. So to install Laravel 8, simply run Laravel new and then just run L8 or Laravel 8. Just I will use Laravel 8 because the latest version is Laravel 8, so I will run Laravel new. Laravel 8 is the name of the project. So it will be creating the project and it will download each and everything from the server, from the online PHP dependencies, and set them up inside this Laravel 8 folder. So it says application ready, build something amazing. So I will navigate it to Laravel 8 folder, and here what I can do is run php artisan serve command. What it will do, it will run an development server. You can copy it and then use it inside your browser, like opening the new tab, pasting 127.0.0.1 colon 8000, and then you are successfully connected with your Laravel. This is the one way. So if you are using like as MAMP, XAMPP or WAMP, then you have to do it localhost slash Laravel 8 and slash public to make it available. So now let's see how to install any specific version of Laravel on your machine. Get back to the terminal, close the server, and then simply we need to do composer create project space dash dash prefer dist and then Laravel slash Laravel, and after that you just give the Laravel folder name. Like I'm going to install Laravel 6, so I will say Laravel 6. You can give any name to this folder, and after that give it a space, and then inside double quote write here which version you need to install. So I say 6.static. So 6 is the major release, and then any minor release will be installed on this system. So I will run it, and now it's using Laravel 6.2.0. So if you remember previously it installed Laravel 8, so let me show you here. Server is not running right now, so it's okay, no problem. So I think I made a mistake. I installed Laravel 6 inside Laravel 8 folder, so that's okay. You can move that folder, there is no issue with that. So you see I have installed it inside Laravel 8 folder. So mv Laravel 6 to www slash. So I have moved it. So let me get back and then I can go to Laravel 6 folder, and then I will run php artisan serve. Again, it gives me the same address of 127.0.018,000, and now this is Laravel 6 version, right? But if I close it and go back and then I go Laravel 8 folder, here if I run php artisan serve and refresh, if I refresh this page, now I have Laravel 8.19.0 on PHP 7.3.25. So this way, using this command composer create project slash dash dash private distribution Laravel slash Laravel, and then providing here any version number specific, you can install any version of Laravel starting from 5, 6, 7 or 8 version. Okay guys, this is it. This was our video tutorial for today, and I hope you understand how to install a Laravel 8 or Laravel 6 on your machine according to your needs. If you don't understand any step or anything, do let me know in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you as soon as possible. With that being said, I will request you that if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then do consider and subscribe to it so that you will get notified as soon as I publish a new video according, or you can suggest me any video you like from me to publish on this channel. Do let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Take care and goodbye.